Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can remove face recognition data on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. First, tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Next, go down and tap on biometrics and security. In here, tap on face recognition. And then we need to put in the current PIN or password. On the next screen, tap on remove face data. Now it will ask you to confirm. Features that use face recognition will be turned off. If you are sure, tap on the remove button. And that's it. Now your phone is deregistered for face recognition. So if you have used face recognition on your device before, it will no longer work because we have now removed all the face data. If you want to use face recognition unlock on your lock screen again, then you will need to register for a new face recognition. So you can go into biometrics and then you can register a face in here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.